Okay. Alright. So that RS wing came in. So now we're going to see how good this thing is. How good the paint is. So I got the wing painted. They offered paint. So hopefully this car, I can smell the paint. I can smell the paint. Whew. Look at that. It's a lot of paint. It's a lot of paint. Now hopefully they painted. Don't do that. Don't do that. You might scratch the wing. But gosh, that was the best. Brake light? Brake light? The hardware. Look at that. Yeah, I can still smell the paint. No runs. Okay. Let's see how this looks. The paint does match, so okay, not bad. Not bad. I see a hole here. Fuck, dude, where am I gonna? How am I going to do this? Alright, I'm gonna have to do some digging here. I'm gonna have to pull this. Damn, I literally thought it was an add-on. Okay, I get it now. That's pretty smooth too. Okay, I get it. So this piece that you see here, this piece right here, that's going to be removed, and then this guy goes on top of this. So it goes on top of this guy here, basically. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it now because it's a perfect day to go to the beach. Okay, I think I want to put this on. I'm going to the beach later. Let me put this wing on first. Shouldn't take too long. I really thought it's gonna be like a decal type mount, like, you know, you just get the 3M tape and slap it on top of stock spoiler. So excuse me, I'm trying to adjust. We're going to try to attempt to do this before I head up to the beach, because I see two screws. I'm going to start off with those first two screws, and we're going to go from there. See, one, two, three. First off, let's remove this lip. As you can see, like a little small lip. And this is off the stock. Put this down because I'm gonna reuse this. I'm gonna put it on top of the and reapply it on my new wing. So I have to put this down somewhere first. I took off 2 bolts here, and here. Size 8mm, and now I'm trying to pull this guy out now, but it's still stuck. Okay, we might have to go to the internets and ask for help. Alright, I guess I didn't find anything online, but I'm assuming like these parts here. Oh shit, dude. I think I gotta pry these out first. Yeah, okay, that screw goes there. Okay, what's going on here? Why is it? I don't feel like breaking it. And this is kind of hard doing it with one hand because I'm trying to film here too. This way. Oh, did I break it? Now I'm going to use a 10. I need to get a 10. Where's my light? Where more light? Still trying to figure out where the hell this comes off like that. Is that holding something or what? Cause this, what did I do to pull it out? Oh! All it was is how to pull it out. That's it. Okay, now I disconnected the hose for the windshield wiper, and why is it not focusing? Focus. Focus. Come on, dude. Focus, dude. What the fuck? Focus, focus, focus. Oh my god, dude. This thing can't focus. Alright, maybe this lens sucks, but this right here goes to this guy here to feed the water. You know what I mean? The WODA. Alright, now let's put the wing on. Let's see if it works. But I might have to take this apart for the brake light first. Ugh. This piece here, I'm just gonna have to let this hose dribble onto the windshield instead of spray, because the bracket for that is on the stock, on the factory wing, and I don't have a bracket here. That's where it goes. That's where it would go, but there's no bracket there to hold that piece. Splice it and then just plug it into the stock harness. Anyways, I'm gonna put it to the stock harness. All I did was splice it and just pushed it in, and hopefully it makes a connection, but I don't want to cut anything up. I want to keep everything stock as much as possible. Alright, now we're going to install the wing. You know, the hard part is just leaving it. I got it on. Now I have to this scratched up here. Fuck. It was hitting this right here. So this wasn't screwed in all the way, and like it was rubbing, like now it was rubbing when I was opening it back and forth. Now it's all scratched up. Fuck. Probably have to go get some touch-up paint. And I'm gonna go to the hardware store right now and pick up double-sided tape so I can put this on. Add a little lip to the wing. Hopefully get this done. Fuck, I'm not a big fan of third-party stuff. This is a third-party or RS rep wing for an RS fit in Japan. It's almost perfect, but it's not perfect. Now it's not perfect at all because I scratched it up. So fuck, it was a bitch putting on these two screws inside right here. Okay. These screws right here that go inside, it was a bitch. I did not like that at all. It was not fun. Not fun at all. So I'm not having fun with this camera. It's always fucking out of focus. Battery fucking sucks like shit. And yeah, I'm gonna try to return this shit, dude, because I'm not happy. Spend $4 grand on a camera and it doesn't do what you want it to do. You know, I thought getting Canon batteries would be the best thing for this camera, but it turns out a third-party battery is a lot better. There's this super hack where I could extend the battery life to like 299 minutes on these batteries. Sick of this fucking camera. But this battery here, come on, focus, dude, focus. Anyways, this fucking battery here is a lot better. Canon's really full. Fuck. Alright, I gotta clean up. Gotta fix this frustrating. Alright, whatever, dude.